Hey guys, so many people out there in the world today think that making money online is just flat complicated. Well, I'm here to lay out a little program that I've been using that has helped me go from trying not understanding how to make any money in the online space to now earning a six-figure income. Guys, my name is Dale Peake. I am your online coach and mentor. And my mission here today is if you're over the age of 40 years old and you're looking for a way to create a real income, guys, I found it. And I found it in the online space. Now, if you'll stick with me over the course of the next couple of minutes, I'm going to lay out for you a program that literally allows you to earn 100% profit. It allows you to use automations and AI. It allows you to be your own boss and to begin to put that money away that you want to be able to save for your retirement. Now, just a few months ago, guys, I was introduced to this concept and I found out that literally this was a done for you business. I didn't have to be techie. Thank God I'm 53 years old. Techie is not my jam. Okay. All I had to do was plug in. Now, I want to ask you a question. Could you post a couple of pieces of content every day? Could you maybe go live every day for a few minutes? And could you learn how to use email marketing? If you can say yes to those are what I had to say yes to. I had to be able to say that I could do that. And if that's you and you're out there, then you're saying I can do that, then guys, what I'm talking about is right up your alley. Because literally, guys, in a 2 hour block every single day, I shoot content. I post free ads on high traffic websites, just copy and paste. And I go through some training. 2 hours a day. Do you have 2 hours a day to learn how to make 300, 600, $900 or more every single day? If the answer to that is yes, then we've got to talk. If the answer to that is, Dale, I don't know. I need more information. And that's okay too. I needed information. I literally watched my buddy do this for over 2 weeks and watched him make over $12,000 during that time frame. Enough to where I said, okay, I need to pay attention. So if you're ready to get the information, I want you to go to the bio or the caption in this video. Okay. And my website is listed there. Now, when you click on it, it's going to take you to a place to drop your email in. Look, I'm not going to sell your emails. I'm going to sell you some, or I'm going to send you some emails. I'm going to teach you about what this is all about. But you're also going to get a copy of our six-figure blueprint, which I'm telling you guys, it literally lays out step by step by step what this is all about. So now that you're done with this video, just go to the bio, click on my website, drop your email in, start doing some homework, and I look forward to talking to each one of you. Have a great and amazing rest of your day. Remember, I'm Dale Peake, your online coach and mentor. Hit subscribe and hang with me for a while. Thanks, guys.